Hey guys, we're just here at Sydney Markets. Pretty excited to try out the night markets here. We've got some pretty cool stalls and foods and just can't wait. So they have this once a month on the first Saturday of every month obviously. And yeah, so a lot of traffic coming in, so there should be a lot of people here. A lot of cars obviously. But I think there's a car show happening somewhere around. Got an empty stomach. I can't wait to try everything that they have tonight. Looks pretty packed, there's a lot of cars around, so should be a good night. Let's go.
Alright, so it's a long walk to the food market. So, with this week's video, because food trucks can be quite expensive, we're going to do a $100 challenge. So, as far as $100 can take us, that's as much as we're going to eat. So, I reckon we should have got a bag, because we can't eat everything as we're standing, hey?
Yeah.
Do you reckon we should go back to the car for a bag?
No, it's good.
But how are we going to carry it all?
No, let's go.
How are we going to carry it all though?
That is the, what do you say? What do you say? That's the challenge we can put to ourselves. Let's go.
Alright guys, I reckon this is a good strategy. I think we should do burgers later, do desserts first, in order to eat everything that we can.
I reckon you're alright.
I reckon I'm right on the money.
Just hungry here.
Guys, we're about 100 meters out and we haven't even got there yet. I don't know if you can hear that. What is it? Is it called Rev?
Yeah. Woo! It's very soft, very juicy, barbecue sauce.
It's a big serve. Alright, let's taste the beef. I was expecting it to be really saucy, but it's almost like a brisket. Is this brisket?
Nah, it's ribs, but it's been slow cooked. So it's like falling apart.
It tastes more like brisket. I'm not professional, but it tastes nice. Really good. What are we going to next?
You made it home, and I know you're not alone. 'Cause now you're singing with the choir, now you're dancing with the crew. You ain't doing this solo.
Thank you! Alright, hold on, we haven't taken the picture yet. Got this one? Tilted a bit down? Yeah, that's the one. I want to get the shiny. Can you put it down? Yeah. That's one.
The waffle is really fresh. Waffle's really fresh. Nice and warm. Got some nuts in this. There's chocolate syrup on top. Tastes so beautiful. It's like heaven on earth.
Alright, first bite. Really good. Peanut butter, caramel, and it's a big serve. It's like the size of your head, maybe. My head, so it's a big serve.
got the lemon strawberry from what's it called? Big Lemon or
Lemono? Lemon bar? Lemon bar.
let's taste it. Oh wow. It's very
Having a dog
it's
fight.
very fresh. The juice is very fresh. I don't know what a house to describe it. It's just really fresh and cold and icy. It's nice. It's nice. The strawberry and lemon is very good.
What are these things called? I just said, can I get a twirly potato king, but I don't know what it's called.
Just the chips.
Twisted chips, that's right. Alright, so we got the garlic butter. Versus
Oh,
nice, yeah. It just tastes like that garlic butter. It's like they're eating garlic bread on
Garlic bread.
potato. Really good. Where's your next job?
I think we might go hit up the taco stand, get a Mexican. See how we go.
It's rated X. That means you're extra. Extraordinary.
So these are the extremely cheesy fries. Got a bit of jalapeno grill, bit of bacon, bit of shallots, of course the fries, some cheese. It's crackling in.
What?
Pork crackling.
Is it good?
No.
I'm like really getting full. I don't know how we're gonna last till 100. Let's see how far we go.
So we just got the dumplings from Mrs. Waring's Dumplings. We got the pork and chives. Pan fried
Pan fried.
with a bit of soy sauce on it. Oh, hot.
It's what?
Hot. Pork's very nice, very juicy. The chives come through really well. And maybe a bit more soy sauce. Let me see.
Your love is rated X. That means you're extra.
Hey guys, we just finished from our last, which is the Z's Crepes. Shout out to Z's Crepes for their awesome crepes. And yeah, what do you think of tonight?
So it was good. I am stuck. I don't know how to do the maths yet, but I think we have about $15 left, but I cannot eat anything. I'm so full.
Big shout out to Z's Crepes. Crepes pretty good. And what else?
The wait was long, these crepes. The wait was long. But was it worth it?
Yeah. Very
No,
good.
it was good. Really good crepes. And I think we got, $15 left. Can't eat anything stuffed. I think we got something from every single truck.
So yeah, one of the places we didn't hit up was the Slovakian place, the big place.
We also didn't hit up there's like a mochi place. I'll put the video of our mochi taste test somewhere in here, but it's called D-Mochi. It's really big. The line wasn't that huge, but we were honestly so stuffed. We left until like the very last minute, so I can't even eat anything. 2.5 hours later and $85 down. How would you say the night was?
Pretty good. There's plenty of good foods out. plenty of people here. They like to check the place out, and yeah.
Yeah, cool. Alright, so that's all from us. If you have any comments, leave it down below. If you have any suggestions of places to taste, message us on our Instagram. We'll leave all the links to all the foods that we tried down below. And when can they see us next?
Next week Tuesday.
Next week Tuesday. So follow us on Instagram, subscribe to us on YouTube. Taste This Tuesday next week. Bye.
Yeah.